How to fix Instagram story music not working problem solve. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix story music not Instagram story music not working problem solve. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, first of all, let me just get inside my official Instagram account, and then here, if you are facing difficult to for your music is not available, then what you need to do here I'm going to show you in this video. So let me just go to story here, and then here, if you're finding difficult, then what you need to do here, so let me just click on picture, and then here on the top you can see here the sticker option. Simply tap here, and then the music option is here. So if you press here and it's not available, your music is not available, or the music is not playing on the story, then what you need to do here I'm going to show you in this video. First of all, make sure that your internet connection is well okay and right. And the second thing what you can do here is you have to go to Play Store. It's same as on iOS and Android, so go to App Store or Play Store, and then you have to search for Instagram, and then make sure to update your Instagram, and then it will definitely work for you. So guys, if it is not working, then what you have to do, you have to go to your Instagram again, and then after going to Instagram here, after going to Instagram, you have to check whether you have multiple account or not. If you have multiple account, make sure to remove some account, and then it will absolutely helpful for you. So guys, the last thing, if you're not getting the options, or if the problem is not fixed, then what you need to do, you have to go to Instagram once again, go to this 3 days on the top right corner here, and then after going here, you will find in this type of interface. Simply click on this settings option here on the bottom, and then here this type of interface, simply click on help option, and then here you can see so report a problem option. Simply tap on report a problem, and then click on report a problem here. So what you have to do, just you have to write what you have to do, you have to write, just write dear Instagram team, I don't have music available on my story, kindly help. Now you have to click on submit option, and then you can see here turn on check, and then you have to wait for some time, and then it will absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.